If you are looking for an online tutor to teach your children Quran, then don't worry, you are at the right place, where we have a great opportunity for you. Iqratul Quran Academy will provide you with well-experienced male and female teachers on a single platform. We are damn sure that you will like and appreciate our online Quran teaching system, because we are offering service for sake of Allah. Our teachers will help your children in teaching. Our courses include basic Quran reading, Quran with proper tajweed, basic Nurani Qaida, Hifz-e Quran, Tafsir-e Quran, Quran translation, Qiraat course, Islamic studies, prayer lessons, Arabic language course. We are teaching people worldwide in more than 50 countries. 3 days free trial classes. We are offering all these courses online, where you can choose day or night time according to your convenience. So let's start your free registration by chatting with us on WhatsApp.